Hey guys, today we will learn about what is candlestick and how to read prices from the candlestick, whether it is going down or going up. When the price is going up, we see a green candle. When the price is going down, we see a red candle. So when the price rises in the stock market, let's say uh, we take the example of 1 minute candle. Now you can select the time frame, either it is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 day, or 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. So according to that, if the time frame is 1 minute, this candle is formed in the entire 1 minute. If the time period is let's say 1 month, so this is the starting day of 1 month, and this is the ending day of 1 month. So this is candlestick represents totally 1 month candlestick. But as of now, I am taking the 1 minute candlestick where this candlestick is formed. Let us say in the first 1 minute, the price opened at 50 rupees per share. Okay. Now, suddenly the buyers are coming into the market, and suddenly the price value is increased. Many people wanted to buy, so the demand is high, therefore, the price will increase. Okay. Now, the price increased up to where 60 rupees, but in between, you see what is 45 rupees and what is 65 rupees. This is called a wick of the candle. This is a lower wick and this is upper wick, and this is called the body of the candle. This body of the candle is formed only between the opening price and the closing price. Now here the price is opened at 50 rupees, and in between suddenly the price went down to 45 rupees and then came up, and the price is increasing. It went up to 65 rupees and then came down, and at the end of the 1 minute the price is closed at 60 rupees. Therefore the opening price is 50 and the closing price is 60. What is the highest price in that 1 minute? 65, but that does not close here. And what is the lowest price in this 1 minute? 45. Okay, so this is called a greenish candle, or we can call it as bullish candle. Okay, now it is completely opposite when it comes to reddish candle or bearish candle. Now, in that 1 minute time frame, let us say the price of the stock is 100 rupees, and suddenly people don't want that share. Suddenly, let's say there is a bad news came, or something happened, and people don't want to keep that share, so they want to sell. So, what happens if everybody wants to sell? The price of the share will automatically getting decreased. Okay? Now let's say from the 100 rupees in that 1 minute time frame, it is started decreasing. It came up to 90 rupees, but suddenly in between it came up to 85 rupees, but went upward direction and closed here at 90 rupees. But in between also, in that 1 minute time frame, suddenly the price went up to 105 rupees and then came down. So but the opening price is this one only, 100 rupees, but in between suddenly it went up to 105 and then came down. Okay, these price movements, like it depends on the recent news, or suddenly about the some decisions made by the company and all. No, it all depends on that, so you need to be very cautious about it. You need to read the news, and you need to observe, and you need to see the financial statements of the company, and you need to see the growth of the company. So all these factors will depend how the stock price is going up or going down. So that we will discuss in the later section. So as of now, you understand the basics of the candlestick. Okay, now this is a bullish candlestick, this is bearish candlestick. Okay? Now opening price will always be at the bottom and closing price will always be at the top for bullish candles, because the price is going to increase and then closed here. Now what about the bearish candles? Opening price is at the top and closing price is at the bottom, because the price is coming down and closed at 90 rupees. Okay? Now these are the weak, highest price in the time frame, lowest price in the time frame. Now we have got one doubt. Let's say what happens if the opening price is same as closing price? Yes, that we will discuss in the now we will discuss. Yep. So let's say this is one example I am taking here. I keep here a time frame. Let's say if I keep for 1 day, uh, how the graph looks, the chart looks. The prices are increasing. The prices are increasing. Okay, in between the price, let's say if you take only this time frame, the price is decreasing. If you take time frame from here to here, the price is increasing. Depends on at what time frame you are seeing. Let's say I'm seeing 1 month time frame. You see from uh, May 2020 it is increased very well. Okay? But here suddenly it decreased again, increased. So these time frames that we will discuss again later, but as of now, to explain you in a simple way, I will use a 1 minute time frame. Now let's understand with one example of let's say this green candle. Now there is a lower small wick here and upper small wick here. Where the price is started, you tell. Starting price is this one, where the body is starting 598.20, and where the price closed 599.50. In that 1 minute, what is the highest price? This one, the upward wick, the top of the 599.65. What is the lowest price? This one, 598.13, 98.12. Okay, so you can see for the red one also. Let's say I will see for this one. What is the opening price? Opening price 598.30. Sorry, no. Opening price for the red candle is on the top. That is 598.35, and then came down to 598.30. Okay, it closed here. But what is the lowest price? It is 598.12. Highest price 598.68. So the body is formed between opening and closing price. Now, one doubt I asked, like you might get, what if the opening and closing price is equal? Will that be a bearish or will that be a bullish? No, it is neither. You see the example here. When the closing price is equal to opening price, you will get a doji candlestick. You will get a doji candlestick, because what is the opening price for this candlestick? 598.89. What is the closing? The same thing. What is the highest price? It went up to 599.05, and lowest price it went up to 598.56. Okay, here it is doji is formed. We will discuss more about doji candlestick later. Now you can observe live here. Okay, in that 1 minute, the now you tell me where is the closing price and opening price. For this red candle, opening price will always be on the top. It is open here at 598.30. See, price closed here, and the next candle's price is open here. It can go down or it can go up. But I will show you one example. Yeah, you see here, the price is open here and the price is closed here, but the next candle price should open here. No, why did it open below this? Because when the it can happen while coming down also, it can happen while going up also. You see here, it is open here and it is closed here, but it did not open here. It is open here above. There is a gap here. Why? Because when let's I will explain for the bullish candles, for the green candles. Because when the price is here, there are more buyers. So what happens? There is a fluctuation in the movement, price movement. Suddenly price is increased. Sometimes it can take huge gap because a lot of demand for that stock. Now here also, when coming down, the more people wants to sell, so suddenly price will decrease. Okay, so that's why there is a gap. Sometimes we see much gap. I will show you in the in the chart itself. Let's see for 1 day candle. Yeah. Let's see for 1 day candle. You see, this is let's say 1 day. The day is, we'll check, 11/4/2022, and this is 11/7/2022. Why there's a Saturday Sunday is holiday, no? So that's why this is Friday and this is Monday. Now you see there is a huge gap in this. When this opening price is 586.12 and closing price is 594.21. Now the next day, the price opening is, it depends on the demand on that day. Please subscribe my channel uh, to get latest updates about the stock market and how to read the chart patterns and how to understand the candlesticks. Thank you.